In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable the camera control button here on an iPhone 17, a 17 Pro, or a 17 Pro Max. If pressing the button doesn't open the camera, here's how you can fix it. That being said, before we actually get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by actually opening up your settings, and what you're going to want to do is just scroll down and you're going to see a camera option on here. Go ahead and open that up. Now if you don't see it, you can just directly search for it just like so, or go into your app settings and then open it up. But once you are in here, you're going to want to look for this camera control setting. Up at the very top, select it. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Up at the top, you're going to see an option for camera to launch it. Select that, and in this instance, you're going to want to make sure that it is set to camera and not something else. If another app is selected, switch it back to camera and then just scroll back. And what you're going to want to do this time is back out of this all the way back to the main settings and just scroll up a little bit, and you're going to see an accessibility option. Go ahead and open that up, and in here there's going to be a camera control option, and you're going to have to scroll down a little bit to see it. Just make sure that you go ahead and turn this on. Now whenever you press that camera control button, the camera is going to open up immediately. It really is as simple as that. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.